Then to end off, just a couple of tips and tricks, and this also gets to securing your phone. Great thing about battery, I'm covering a couple of myths that I mentioned, is to save battery life. I go into airplane mode on my device, and if I'm on airplane mode, I can quite happily navigate for 8 hours non-stop without doing charging. I also don't charge the phone while riding, and I think that's one of the mistakes that most people make, is that they charge the phone while they ride. And the same way as that phone is if you plug a phone constantly in and out to charge, that will break, not even if you're on your motorbike, by just charging your phone. So I don't charge while I ride, and that's one of the reasons why I go for a 4-amp battery. Okay, I always do a printout of my Google Map so that I've got my map in print. I don't need to go and buy anything. It's easy to do. Once you've got your Google My Maps, click on print, print it out, and fold it up and ride with it. And then the question, I can't remember who asked it, is about rain. It is super simple to protect your phone in rain by simply wrapping it in food cellophane, food wrap, see-through wrap. So all I do is I basically take cellophane, this food cellophane, wrap it around, and I put it on the phone. You can still phone on it, and you just take it off once you're done. It's quite easy to do. Okay, then that basically sort of, guys, brings me to the end of my webinar. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys with that. Thanks a lot for joining. I've gone 10 minutes over my planned time. I really appreciate everyone's contribution, everyone's chats. Guys, I'm going to head off for the next one. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining. Appreciate it. Cheers.